So hi guys, Gellis here at Infinite Modesty Design. Of course, at Infinite Modesty Design, we teach you the art of sewing and fashion currently online. We are a Toronto sewing and fashion studio, and of course, Toronto, Canada. And of course, if you have a desire, a passion to learn the greatness in sewing, the greatness and the art of fashion, definitely you are in the right place. I want you to click the link in the description below. We do have an ongoing event, and that event itself would get you to the opportunity to learn more about how you could actually get classes with us and get your sewing and fashion dream come alive. All right, so guys, you know what? I am following a journey right now where I'm going to be at least coming on, at least 3 days a week to do a YouTube video. So it could be more, but I want to at least keep it at least minimum of 3 days a week. So the last video I talk about, what I was planning and all that. So that day, that actual day, once I finished the live, I actually went to do my video. So my video is what I did. So we're going to show you. I did some pattern manipulation. So this is what I'm teaching in one of my advanced class, how to draft patterns. So from my sleeve pattern now, I manipulate my sleeve pattern to make a leg of mutton pattern. Yep, so that's how we just spreading it off, and then we're gonna eventually pin it to make a new pattern. So that's part of the things I'll be teaching. So this is a leg of mutton pattern, so I manipulate it. All right, and then the next thing is to cut it out and all that. So I didn't do that yet. And then I manipulate this pattern now. That's the full standard block. Well, the front and the back, I have it somewhere, but the front and the back, I manipulate this now to make my front pattern with my neckline facing. So that's my neckline facing here. So this is what I'm teaching my students how to do. So basically, before even manipulating all this pattern or manipulating this pattern, I have to teach my student how to take the body measurement, draft it out, make sure they understand the measurement to the T. So it's not just boom, bam, bam. There's a lot of process that went before that get me to this stage. So this is the next step I'm teaching my students is how to draft the neckline facing for the front, and also manipulate the back pattern. So this is also a pattern I manipulate as well. And then we make the back neckline facing, right? So in this case now, the next things I will be doing itself for my next, for my next class is pretty much editing the video, sending for my students, and also cutting the fabric and start to kind of connect our dresses and stuff. It depends on what they want to make, because now they kind of understand a lot about sewing. So it's just them to decide, if they want to do this sleeve or that sleeve or so on and so forth. Guys, I love teaching sewing and fashion. It's one of my childhood passion, and I'm grateful for doing this. I don't boast and say, oh, I don't do those things. I'm a very plain and simple person. How you see me is what you get. But the goal is that it brings me joy when I see my students post on my Facebook page, or send me a WhatsApp message, or send me maybe even a regular message on my iPhone and say, you know what, this is how I make, or you know what, it brings me joy. So I am so very grateful. If any of my students are watching me, guys, I really, really love you guys. I love you guys in the Lord. I love you guys as a human being, and I'm so thankful for all your support. So that's been said today for me. If you are interested, of course, in learning the art of sewing and fashion, I want you to click the event link below. From the event, we have ongoing event. Maybe it might be on a waiting list, maybe it might be active, I'm not sure, but at least once you click and you sign up to the event, you'll be able to get access itself and learn the next step you could take in getting your sewing and fashion dream come to life. My name is Gellis, and of course, this is Infinite Modesty Design. Take care, guys. Bye bye.